Hello everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I will show you 4 different ways to import media files into Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm using Premiere Pro 2024, so any version, whether it's more uh, newer than my own or it's less than my own, no problem. You will find similarities because they are the same thing, just improvement and all of that. So we'll explain which method is best for different situations and share some useful tips along the way. So gear up and let's jump in. So method 1, I call it file menu. Now when in the last video we explained what the project panel is all about. So from the project panel, that's where we're going to import the first one. From what you're seeing here now, if you double click, it should take you to that, or if you right click also, you should be able to see where to import. Okay, so either you double click or you right click, you will be able to see where to import. So from that very location, you just navigate to where your data is, and if there are more than one, you just hold shift and select all of them, then you click on open. So all of them will be added to your project panel, on which you can drag from here, order all of them, or you take them one by one and bring them to your timeline. Alright, so this now, once I selected all of them, so you will see that the whole of them will all come out to be here. Alright, so this method 1 is best for beginners because it's clear and it's easy to find. And then if you are ever unsure where your clips went, maybe while you're working and all of that, check the project panel, which is here, because Premiere Pro never loses them. They are there. It's just maybe you just need to check and then see that they are there, because like I said, Premiere never loses them. So the next tips, which is tips number 2, or method number 2 rather, is drag and drop. So you can just go into your window and then grab them, shift and all of that. Let's say you want to bring all of these, or if it's just this you want to bring, just drag it and then you take it straight into Premiere Pro, and either you drop it at the project panel or you take it straight to timeline and it will automatically show. So this is another method, and this is best for small project, especially when you only have few clips or one clips or thereabout. It's best for small project and when you want to just quickly test the clips or something like that. So when dragging to the timeline, Premiere automatically creates a sequence that matches your clip settings. Super handy for quick edit. Alright, so the third method is the shortcut method, which you can easily just press Ctrl I on window or Command I. So Ctrl plus I, it will just pop you up to importing, and then you just click and then you import. So it's going to go directly to your project panel. From your project panel, you just drag and you drop on your timeline. So that is the third method. So this is best for editor who want to speed, who wants speed and efficiency. Yeah. So this combines with organizing your files into folders beforehand. That way, when you import your project, it stays neat. Sorry. So basically, what I'm trying to say here is, while you are trying to use this shortcut, which is the third method, you can organize them into a folder. Let's go. If you come here, you create a new bin. You can see, create a new bin, which is like a folder here, and then you name it, maybe let's say shortcut and all of that. Oh, sorry, the spelling. So with this now, when you open it, when you open this, you should be able to put work inside here, which will help organize your work. That's what I was trying to explain. So the last method is the browser method, media browser method, sorry. So with this, all you need to do is to go to the media browser on your project panel. So from the media, you will go to where your file is. So let's locate it. We have local disks, we have so let's go through the local disks, I guess. So let's go here, and then we'll have to go to Windows, or users, or rather users. Then we'll go to public. So we'll go to HP, which is my device. Alright, so let's locate our videos. So I'll open my videos so you can see all the videos here. Now I can just drag, sorry, I'm not dragging, I'll just right click and click on import. So with that, it will come to the timeline automatically. Now this very method is best for large projects or when working with camera card, especially when you're working with RED, you're working with industry standard kind of cameras, that you have metadata, it has a lot of other things. For it to organize everything for you you use this media browser, as it is best when you're working with that, because it preserves the metadata and ensures all linked audios and videos comes in correctly without any glitches and all of that. So use the search bar inside media browser to quickly find specific clips in big projects. It's a lifesaver when handling hundreds of files. All right. So when you are in the media browser, you can use the search. You can use the search. Sorry, I need to expand this so that we can see everything. Yeah, so you can use this search tool to find for a particular clips and all of that, so that it saves you time and saves you energy and all of that, because it's actually, this method is actually a lifesaver when it comes to when using big clips and all of that. So, and that's it. 4 ways to import media into Premiere Pro. For beginners, we started with the file menu, and then we moved to the drag and drop, then we moved to shortcuts, and then we did it for big data, which is the media browser. So no matter which method you use, always keep your media organized in folders on your computer. That makes your editing workflow so much smoother. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more editing tips. Till I come your way again, for now, bye bye.